वेलकम टू सोलर एस्ट्रोग्राम। सोलर एस्ट्रोग्राम में आपका सबका स्वागत है। सो टुडेस टॉपिक इज अबाउट द कलियुग ज्योतिषा। कलियुग ज्योतिषा is very prominent and everybody need to understand. Each and every astrologer or whoever all the astrology lovers should understand how the Kali-yuga Jyotisha will work. Because when we go through the chart, any of the horoscope we are going through, what will happen is where your predictions will go wrong when you do not understand the Kali Yuga Jyotisha. What I mean to say is anybody, when we see the horoscope, there will be a common problem in each and every chart related to the Kali Yuga. Because this need to happen when the yuga is running. These all the problems are what all the benefits are there and what all the problems are there. These everybody need to undergo this problem irrespective of the individual horoscope. So first thing we need to understand how the Kali Yuga will operate, because we are in the Kali Yuga. So each and every family will experience these kind of problems or benefits, whatever we can say. So I'll come to the what I want to tell you. I'll come to the point now. See, Kali Yuga, we in the horoscope we have 12 houses. We consider Kali Yuga as the Capricorn. So from Capricorn you need to start reading the chart actually. So how I'll tell you in detail, showing the chart and as example. So if I'll share you the screen also. See, this is the Kali Yuga chart which I want to show you. So the Capricorn taking an ascendant. For the comfortable of the most of the viewers are acquainted to the North Indian style. So I've taken the North Indian style only. So the Kali Yuga, the Capricorn is the ascendant. Okay. Ascendant is Capricorn. So what will happen? See, in Kali Yuga, when the Kali Purusha has entered, the Kali Yuga. So he has come in the Purana. It tells that the Kali Purusha, while entering into the Sabha of Parikshit Maharaj. So what has happened is he has entered with one hand on his mouth and one hand holding the pennies. So this is how the Kali Yuga has entered the Kali Pravesha. We tell us Kali Pravesha. So holding the hand towards the mouth and holding the hand towards the pennies. So so what the Kali Yuga says is these two will be an important factor in Kali Yuga. That is, there will be lot of importance to the food habits and food, what all the food we are eating, and these two things Kali Yuga is very prominent about. See, and as you all know, in Kali Yuga, most of the people are giving importance to their sexual lives and almost all the eating style and all. So this is how. Rest all the things are more, I'll explain you in detail also. So this is how the Kali Yuga has entered actually. When the Parikshit stopped, actually when the Parikshit saw this Kali Purusha, he told that you cannot enter into this because I am a Raja here, I am a king here. So you can't enter like here, like you have no space here to exist for your existence. So what Kali Purusha said, asked the Parikshit is, no, this is Kali Yuga has been starting. So you need to let me in, because no, this is the Yuga Dharma which Raja has to follow also. So there is no other alternative, that you can't deny me in coming into the Kali Yuga. So kindly accept. But as you are a very devotional king and you are very you are doing your dharma regularly, so I honor your word. So tell me the places where I need to stay. so I'll follow your method. He says, I'll give you few places where you need to stay. He tells, he chooses nearly 4 to 5 places, like one is gold, you can stay in gold, okay, and second is you can stay in all the clubs and all the where the we call juda is nothing but all the gambling points, okay, and wherever go brahmana himsa is there, there you can enter. And one more is where the liquor is being distributed, or where liquor places, there you can stay, okay, and where all the himsa is done, more himsa is seen, that places you can enter. So these are the places where the Parikshit has given, because he was ruling the country very properly, that there is no himsa was there, no gambling was done, and no nothing where the Kali Yuga can enter. So these were the places given. So I'm not going into the detailed story of what the Parikshit has done, what happened to Parikshita, how he was affected with the Kali Yuga and all. That is a different story. But I'm coming to the chart now, how the Kali Yuga will operate. See, taking Capricorn as an ascendant. So this is the main ascendant which the Kali Yuga rules actually. So where the Saturn will get exalted here. So Saturn is exalted in the 7th place, that is the Libra sign. So this is the exaltation point where the Kali Yuga king, that is the ascendant lord, is getting exalted. So what will happen is he is having the exaltation point in the 7th house. So here, that is what we are facing. The people will select it. The 7th is what? 7th is the people. So now the people will elect the king. So that is what it is happening here. Previously, there was we call it as the hereditary, like Vamsha Paramparya was there. Is the king's family only will become the king. But not now. What has happened is who is the king? Who will make the king is the people will make the king. So because it is exalted in the Libra sign. That is one factor. Second thing is, though Saturn, the second house, if you take the second house, the network place, that is 11th is what the network circle, and the income. See, most of the people incomes will be by here. The 11th lord is 11th sign, that is Aquarius. That is Aquarius is owned by Saturn and Rahu. Okay, I'm writing the short form. SA is Saturn and Rahu. So these two are for the Aquarius. So here what will happen is, in Kali Yuga there is one saying that Kalo Kalmasya Chittanam Papa Dravyopa Jivanam. So Rahu is what? He's all is not a proper kind of earning, we can say. See, whenever the Rahu will be placed in second, the earnings, there will be a different kind of earning where it will be a not proper income, we can say. So what does the Rahu do here? He does all kind of manipulations. So Saturn is karma, okay, and this karma is connected to the Rahu here. So that is the second place. So the family income place, second place has become Saturn Rahu has become the income place here. So here earnings will be not proper for everybody. Some kind of it's not an ethical in each and every family. You will find some other improper earnings, I can say. It's not in a proper way, I can say. Somewhere around they'll cheat, like they'll cheat and earn money. Okay. So you may find it strange that I'm not doing any kind of cheating and all. But here no, you need to understand the whomever you are working also, he may earn some kind of unethical money that is coming as a earning source for you. So that is also a not proper income, we can say. So if you take a big corporates also, they are doing some other who are working for the corporate companies, or who are working for the any so and so company, any company, you can say. I don't think so they will earn in a very 100% in a proper way, because they'll show taxes in a different way. All these are, it's not a proper money. It's not a genuine kind of income. Anybody is not crystal clear, I can say. Okay, this is one thing you need to understand. That is kalo kalmaschitanam papadravya. Everybody should live with the papadravya. That is unethical amount, I can say, unethical earning source, I can say. Okay, and coming to the third part, the third is what? Third house is affected by the Parakrama Sthana, as you all know. Parakrama, this is nothing but taking a responsibility. Okay, now you can see the major problem what everybody is facing is nobody is willing to take any kind of responsibility. Even the household in the family also, nobody cares about the individuals also, because they are not ready to take anybody's responsibility. Even the children are not taking their parents' responsibility also, because no, anybody is not interested to take any kind of responsibility unless until there is a gain there. So everybody needs some or other gain, but we are not bothered about taking a responsibility without any gain, I can say. As per the dharma also, they are not willing to take, because feeding mother and father and taking care of them is the dharma. So but there also they are not interested, because no, the Kali Yuga is running like that actually. So and so this is the third place. How the third place is getting affected, we can see here. And the third place is falling in what? 12th place, that is Pisces. So it's an isolation sign. Okay, so isolation sign is what? Here everybody need an individual decision. Okay, they want to create their own kingdom, like they don't want to follow any kind of rules and all, because I want to lead a very happy life. They think isolatedly only, like thinking isolation means, I what I mean to say is, they'll think about their own gains, their own profits, or their own thinking only. I want to be in freedom, I want to become freedom, like I don't want to serve for anybody, I should be a free bird. Because the 12th house is the moksha sthana, that is falling under the parakrama sthana. So anybody don't want to take the responsibility, and they want to lead a individual life, detached to everybody, because that's why now people want to go into a different kind of resorts, and they want to enjoy their not having any kind of detachments. They go somewhere like that. Okay, so coming to this fourth house. So the fourth house here is, fourth house is coming as an Aries part. So first the Aries part is becoming the fourth house. So this is a fiery sign, as everybody know, and this is a war sign, I can say, because the Aries always, it's a dispute sign. Dispute sign, there will be a lot of struggle here, because the Saturn gets debilitated here because of karma, that is Saturn getting and Sun getting exalted. So what will happen is, each and every family will have an ego related problem, because the Sun is exalted here. So what the people will say, our family members are not caring us, are not giving a proper recognition to me. So their previous days, that was not the thing, because no, father used to rule the family, and he used to whatever he say, their people will follow. But nowadays, no, what is happening is, the fourth lord, even though Sun is getting exalted here, but here the king is who? The king is Saturn here. So he's generally, if you take from Capricorn, the Leo ascendant will fall in the eighth sign. This will fall in the eighth actually. If you take from Capricorn, if you count from Capricorn, the Leo will be eighth sign. So what? So here the Sun is losing power actually. Sun is getting disturbed actually, because eighth place Karakatva. If you take also, Saturn is the Karakatva for the eighth place. So there also Saturn plays a major important role. Okay, sixth place Karakatva also is Saturn only, and 8th place Karakatva and 12th place Karakatva was also Saturn only. So everybody here now in the family also there will be a lot of disturbance, and nobody they will fight all the egoistic problems in the house itself. So that is the main problem with the house part, because the Aries is falling as a 4th plus, and each and everybody they are bothered their own creativity and all. If my creativity is not being recognized, I have this creativity but nobody is recognizing. These are the factors which you can see in the individual houses itself. Okay, so that is a problem with the 4th house. So coming to the 5th house, so 5th house is what? The 5th house is in the Taurus sign. Okay, so here what will have 5th is what? Speculations and all. So each and everybody are interested in earning money through speculations only. So because the second income part from the Aries, if you take, Taurus is the income source. So the source of the income is Taurus. So everybody, and now you can see most of the people earn a lot of income through speculations only. In the Kali Yuga, most of the people will earn only through the speculations. Most of the earnings through speculations are any kind of whatever the 5th house shows. This is the major income source, we can say. Okay, that is the 5th house plus. And coming to the 6th house is the Mithuna, that is the Gemini sun will come as the 6th house. Roga Runa Shatru. So all the enemies you get is only through the gossips, because the Gemini sign represent all kind of gossips. So you will have an enemies through your gossips, or what are the gossips you hear also. From there also you can create, like, enemies will be only through the gossips we make. That is a major problem. And 6 is what? Because all the Mercury you can take, all the Mercury Karakatvas will create a problem. That will create a health issue also. Like now you can see all kind of property disputes and all, anything related to the money, anything related to the properties, because no, here Karakatva is Mars. So for for Gemini, Karakatva is the Mars. So here what will happen is all kind of property related disputes regarding documentations, and as you can see nowadays, no, phone has become a hell, because using a mobile phone only a lot of problems have been created, because 3rd house, because the communication has fallen into a dispute now. Okay, the 3rd house, which is a communication, that is fallen into a dispute house in the Kali Yuga. So through communication only lot of problems will be created, and health also will be disturbed only through the communication, and what are the means the through Mercury symptoms only, because you can see in most of the people will be having lot of Mercury problem, like neuro problems, nerves related problem, because no, as long as you have the 100% nerve strength, then on the lifespan also will increase. So these are the minute things where you can observe, like how the Kali Yuga Jyotisha is very prominently working. And coming to the 4th house, the 4th house is falling as the Cancer sign. So 4th, that is the 7th house, is falling in the Cancer sign. So what will happen is everybody wants something or other emotional. Everybody is trying to get an emotional support, because all the people what everybody craving to have, like want to have, is emotional support, but nobody is getting the emotional support. Each and every individual want an emotional support, but nobody is trying to give emotional support to anybody, because they are only bothered about themselves. So this is how the 7th house also is getting here. And coming to the 8th house, I told you the 5th house is coming as an 8th house. So what will happen is no child will support you. The 5th house is also children. So children also will become an enemies, or children will create a problem in they will become a major problem for everybody. And education also is getting spoiled, because fifth house also is education, fourth house also is education, fourth and fifth also is getting spoiled. So because of the seventh house, so education has become a business also. Because no, uh, eighth house is, and one more thing we can understand is, being the fifth size coming as the eighth house, now the medical people will earn a lot, because no, the eighth and fifth combination we can say, like all the astrologers and all the medical people will earn lot of money, and they will manipulate more also. So this is how the fifth house also, natural fifth house is getting affected, because it is falling in the eighth house. And coming to the sixth house, which is from the Aries sixth house, that is coming as a ninth house. So now you can see how people are taking loans, and they are getting, they are cheating, and they are improving also. If you take an example of all the big shots who are sustaining in the black mask, and they like everybody are cheating and earning a lot of money, because no, Rogaranu Shatru, the sixth house, which is all the debts and all, everybody improving their luck, and they want to create their own luck by cheating others only. Because ninth is the Bhagyasthana. So Bhagyasthana, it has come into the dispute place, that is the Rogaranu Shatru. So what is happening here is, people are taking loans and becoming big, because as you say, most of the, I don't want to name and individuals, as you all know, that who are ruling the country as of now also, who is having the mobile networks, and who are having taken a lot of bank loans, and they are cheating in a different way. So this is how they are creating their own bhagya. They're taking their debts, they are creating, they are cheating banks and all, and they are becoming big. So this is how the sixth place is getting damaged, already damaged part, but it is getting more damaged. So coming to the seventh place, that is the professional place. Most of the people now, each and everyone want to become, want to create their own business, because nobody is interested to work under anybody. Okay, because no, the in Kali Yuga, no, the 10th house has become Libra, so it's a business place. So everybody want to create their own business style. They want to create their own business. They want to become a king of themselves. Like they want to become a owner for others. So this is how the 10th house also is operating. As you all know, the film actors, because the Libra also represent the film actors also. The film actors are becoming the kings now, because whatever they because they act as a brand ambassadors also for most of the, because that's the reason why the Libra is getting highlighted here, because the Saturn, who is the king of Kali Yuga, is getting exalted in the Libra sign. So all the film actors will become the kings now. Okay, and 1 second. And coming to the 11th house, so the income place, the 11th, the 8th has become the income place for everybody, because everybody is having a hidden income. They don't want, they will not share the whatever the income they are getting, they will not share. So this is the main problem with the income also. Like each and every individual will have an some kind of fishy things, like they don't reveal, because the eighth is what, it's like a well. So they will anybody cannot understand how the income source is generated by the individual, because he will be having different sources. Eighth place, so all the secretive in kind of income, and there is no clear cut income shown in any which way. So that is how the here, because the Scorpio has come as the income sign here, and the 12th and the ninth natural ninth house has become the Vayasthana, that is the 12th sun, which is the Dharma sthana also. So most of the people spend their money for the higher education. We can say ninth house is higher education, because they want to spend their own money for the all kind of to improve their bhagya, I can say, to improve their luck factor. anybody spend anybody can spend a lot of money here. So if anybody is spending little bit of amount also, they want to invest where their luck can be improved, or where they can get a lot of benefit, I can say, because here they want to by spending the money they want to improve their luck, like they want to improve their luck and all. So they will not spend as the ninth place also will come to the travel part also. More, as you can see, most of the people are spending a lot of money in travel only, like going to the abroad or going to the big tourist places and all. Like ninth is what all the pilgrimage places also will come under the ninth place. So the spend part is going to the ninth in the general zodiac sign. The ninth has coming into the 12th in the Kali Yuga. So there people are spending their money only to improvise their luck, and if like to the travels and all. As you can see, the most of the people nowadays the transport majorly the ninth also, it's all related to transport only. So transport related expenditure is more. Okay. That too, the foreign related transports and every going to the pilgrimages and dharma sthanas, that is going to the big punya kshetras and all. So this is how the Kali Yuga Jyotish work. And the most interesting thing is in Kali Yuga also, the Lord Venkateshwara has taken the incarnation. He has taken incarnation in Kali Yuga, and his nakshatra is Shravana nakshatra. See, because the king of the Kali Yuga, Lord Venkateshwara, his Shravana nakshatra Makara Rasi, that is Capricorn. So this is how, and as you all know, this in Capricorn also, for the Capricorn people, as you all know, they will not always, the Capricorn, especially Shravana nakshatra, will have multiple relationships and all, because it's having a Shukra dosha. Shukra dosha. So as you all, you can find it like people are in nowadays multiple relations has become the common factor also. So that is how the Kali Yuga Jyotish will work. So if at all time is constrained now, next time I can give you more kind of information. This is how the Kali Yuga Jyotish will work actually. And when you are seeing the charts now, these all things you can find the problem also, because now the ninth place, when you take the ninth place also, ninth place is what? Ninth place for the Capricorn ascendant, ninth place is sixth house, the natural sixth house is coming to the ninth place. So here father place, especially father, ninth is also father's place. So what is happening is Mercury is falling in the ninth place. What will happen is here in the each and every father, for every individual also, it's what like Virgo only, it will operate like Virgo only. So when the people are growing, like when the people are becoming big also, father will have a loan. So this is problem. See, everybody are taking loans now. So loan has become a common thing. When the people are growing also, each and every individual father will have a loan. By default, everybody will take a loan after the child is born. So because no, that is how the Kali Yuga will work also. Okay, I'll come out with more interesting videos. Thank you.